Hello friends, we are selling Giant Loop snow bike, so let's do a quick walk around here because it's a pretty sweet deal when you look at all the many upgrades and nice setup details. So here, let's start at the front. Of course, we're including the wheels to roll it around in the garage and so on. So here's a major upgrade. The Kreft front suspension is a snow bike specific fork build with Kreft's amazing bottoming valve that they use that basically means you don't really get that hard thud at the bottom of the stroke. Here's another key piece of kit, a Selkirk enclosure. So this is managing engine temperature and keeping the engine performing at its optimal temperature in snow conditions, since motorcycles are not really designed to run at cold temperatures. So we also have the nice snow bike style foot pegs that enable the snow and ice to unload here when you're out riding. This is our 2013 KTM 500 EXC. So the nice thing about that is, because it's an EXC model, it has enough stator capacity to run brighter lights. You can run heated grips, although we don't have them installed. We just put the bushwhackers on over. And it also has a thermostat, unlike the motocross bikes that have an open cooling circuit and are just cooling the engine all the time. This at least closes down the cooling circuit most of the way, part of the way, when it's not required. And then back here, here's our Timbersled kit. Here, get the cardboard box off of here. So this is the Timbersled Mountainhorse LE 120 with the really nice suspension upgrade, the Fox suspension there. So this length of track has really been perfect for our Cascade snow conditions here, which tend to be a little bit denser snow than you might have in the Rockies. So don't really need a super long track, and this combination has been really fun to ride. It's been utterly trouble-free, never a single issue on the trail. So this is ready to go right now to go jump on the snow and catch some of those nice late season powder days that we always get here in April. And give me a shout if you're serious about taking a look. Here, we'll just start this bad boy up too, just cause it deserves it. Oh yeah, we've got the nice trail tech on there too, which is great for snow biking. Cyclops LED headlight upgrade. USB charger on the handlebars. Charge a phone, charge your camera, whatever. And of course, I'll throw in a full set of Giant Loop gear for the buyer, including an armadillo bag to carry fuel. Put a new tail rack on here. So shout me up. This is your entry point to fun.